Hi everyone, I'm Ida and this episode goes out to all of my Swedish people out there. Woo! IKEA! Whoa! Swedish stuff! I was going there with two of my friends and I was actually really lucky because as I was walking there it was just really windy and the second I reached their house the rain started. It didn't matter though because we were going there by car. Our adventure started out at the cafeteria where they have all this Swedish food, so you Swedish people, don't worry. My friends actually shot a video in the cafeteria of them tasting some Swedish food, so if you're interested in seeing that, the links will be down below and I am also in that video. In case you didn't know, this IKEA is huge. It's actually the biggest one in the entire world, which actually kind of hurts my pride being a Swedish person. I bought a couple of lamps and they were super heavy. As it turns out, at the checkout area they have Swedish candy, meatballs, mashed potatoes, lingonberry jam, whatever you want, not what, you know, some of the things you might want. You can buy them, they're pretty expensive, but if you're a Swede longing for Swedish food, it's worth it. I hope even if you're not a Swedish person, this was still fun to watch, and I hope this inspired you to go out on an IKEA adventure. IKEA! I really love that store. I'm probably biased because I'm Swedish. Yeah. IKEA. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, follow our social medias, and don't forget to check out the latest video.
Honorifics and all that kind of stuff. When you speak Korean. Since I was just a Korean beginner, I made a big mistake.